In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word Design tab missing. If the Design tab has disappeared from the top of Microsoft Word, don't worry. This usually means it's been turned off in your ribbon settings and we can bring it back quickly. First, open Word to any document. Move your mouse to the ribbon, which is the top menu area with tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. That entire strip is called the ribbon. Right-click anywhere in that ribbon area. It doesn't have to be on a specific button. Any blank space or tab label will do. When you right-click, a small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Customize the ribbon. This opens the Word Options window directly to the ribbon customization section. Think of this window as the control center for what you see across the top of Word. On the left, you'll see a list of commands. On the right, you'll see a checklist of the tabs that appear in your ribbon. Now, focus on the right side. You're looking for the entry labeled Design. It's listed with the other main tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, Layout, and so on. If your screen is small or the list is long, you might need to scroll. Each item here has a checkbox that controls whether that tab is visible. When you find Design, check the box next to it. This tells Word to show the Design tab again on your ribbon. If the box is already checked, it's possible the tab is being hidden by a narrow window or a minimized ribbon, but in most cases, an unchecked box is the reason it's missing. After checking the box, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the Word Options panel. You'll return to your document and you should now see the Design tab along the top, right alongside your other tabs. Click it to confirm it's back and to access features like themes, colors, fonts, and document formatting controls. A couple of quick notes. This change applies to Word itself, so it will carry over to other documents you open on this device. If your interface looks slightly different, that's normal. Word's layout can vary by version, but the Customize the Ribbon option is the key place to make this fix. And that's it. Right-click the ribbon, open Customize the Ribbon, find Design on the right, check the box, and click OK. Your Design tab is restored and ready to use.